In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop chat, audio, video web app with admin dashboard. Example of this kind of script is DreamsChat Web. Kindly use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this script. Let's just look at some of the listing example. Let's look at the demo dashboard at the demo page. So this is how the login page is going to look like after developing it. So next, don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. After purchasing the script, I'll go straight to my cPanel, then my file manager. From my file manager, I go to the subdomain I'm using, which is this. I've already uploaded my script. So next I'm going to extract it. Extract files. So after the extraction, I'm going to close this. Closing this. Now let me open the extracted file. I copy all the content in it and move them to the root folder. No files. Then I click on back. Let me copy my subdomain name, open a new tab, paste it there. Enter. So next I'm going to sign up. So for me to register my data so I can log in. My first name, let me say, is admin. Last name admin at admin.com, phone number, let me say this. I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to select Nigeria. IJKLMN. Okay, here is it. Let me fill this. Then I click on I agree. Sign up. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will now log in here. admin.com. Then I click on login. Now I've successfully installed my script, so I can add new message, group, wherever I want to go. Then I go from here. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, please buy me a coffee, link in the description to buy me a coffee. Thank you.